Hey YouTube, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to change the resolution of your Windows computer. First thing you need to do is you need to right-click your mouse, and you will see a menu comes up. On that menu, you're going to see there are display settings. You want to move your mouse down to display settings and left-click your mouse. You're going to get a menu that comes up. Now you're going to notice on that menu, there's a resolution option. Now, you'll notice on mine, it's already set for the recommended resolution. But if I left click my mouse, I can actually change the resolution that it's set for. So in this case, if I wanted to make it a different resolution, I can change it. It will give me the option to either discard or keep the changes. Another thing I can also do from here is, let's assume that my icons were too small. In here, you can also easily change the scale. So let's say I wanted to see my icons larger. I could always make them larger just like that by choosing that option. So it really does make things easier. I'm going to put this back to the 100%, which is the regular size. Another thing you can easily do in here is if you wanted to change the brightness, you can bring the brightness down and you can bring the brightness all the way up. So it gives you the option to do that as well. So it's pretty easy to change your display settings in here. Very straightforward. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.